Very good morning, students. Today we are going to see the question number 3 from the exercise 9.2. In question number 3, we have to find the product. As you know how we have to find product in the fraction, in the same way, here also we have to find the product in between two rational numbers. What we have to do here? See the question number 3, second sum, 3 upon 10 multiplied by in bracket minus 9. Here you can see only one number, denominator is not there. So as I told you earlier, here you have to consider if denominator is not there, you have to consider here denominator as a 1. Okay. So here while doing multiplication in between rational numbers, you have to multiply numerator of first rational number into second numerator of the second number and the denominator of first rational number into the denominator of second rational number. So here minus 9 means it's a minus 9 upon 1. Okay. So note down this one. So next step, 3 upon 10 multiplied by minus 9 upon 1. So multiply 3 into minus 9 upon 10 into 1. So minus 9 multiplied by 3 will be minus 27 will be numerator and 10 ones. So 9 3s are 27 and minus sign will be here upon 10. So minus 27 upon 10. This is the answer for second question. Okay. One more sum for number 3 upon 7 multiply by in bracket minus 2 upon 5. So write first rational number as it is, multiply sign as it is and remove this bracket. So it's a minus 2 upon 5. Next step, multiply numerator into numerator. That means 3 multiplied by minus 2 upon 7 multiplied by 5. So 3 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to minus 6 and 7 5s are 35. So this is the answer for this question. One more sum, 3 upon minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 upon 3. Here 3 multiplied by minus 5 will be minus 15 will be answer and minus 5 multiplied by 3 will be minus 15. Right? So here you can see the sign for numerator and denominator both having minus negative sign. So it's a positive rational number. So obviously minus 15 upon 15 is equal to 15 upon 15. And when you divide 15 divided by 15, you will get the answer as a 1 here. Okay. Now question number 4, we are going to do here division. We have to find value in the question number 4. See this sum. Second one, minus 3 upon 5. This is the first rational number. Division sign is given here and 2 is the whole number is given. Okay. So as you know, nothing is there. So you have to consider here denominator as a 1. So 2 means what? This 2 is equal to means it's a 2 upon 1 actually. Okay. Here also we can write minus 9 is equal to, yes, minus 9 is equal to minus 9 upon 1. In the same way 2 means it's a 2 upon 1. So while doing division we have to follow some rules. So first thing what you do here, you can see a division sign is there, but while doing division, see second number will be divisor here. So all the times you have to consider second rational number. Again I would like to repeat, while doing division you have to use the reciprocal of second rational number. So how to find reciprocal? If I say 3 upon 1, so you have to use the denominator of this rational number as a numerator and numerator as a denominator. So reciprocal of 3 upon 1 is equal to 1 upon 3. Understood what is meant by reciprocal? 3 upon 1 means here denominator I have used here as a numerator and this numerator here I have used as a denominator. Yes. So here numerator of reciprocal of 2 upon 1 is obviously 1 upon 2. Yes, here I have used, and instead of division sign you have to put here multiplication sign. So first rational number minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by reciprocal of the second rational number, that is 1 upon 2. And the next step, how we are doing the multiplication, in the same way we have to find the product. So multiply 3, minus 3 multiplied by 1 upon 5 multiplied by 2. So minus 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to minus 3 and 5 2s are 10. So minus 3 upon 10, this is the answer for this question. Now see this sum, fifth number sum, minus 2 upon 13 divided by 1 upon 7. Here second rational number is also given. So next step, minus 2 upon 13, write down first rational number instead of division sign, here you have to use the multiplication sign. And while using the, here what you have to do, here next very important step, here you have to use the reciprocal of the second rational number. Means what is the reciprocal? 1 upon 7 is equal to 7 upon 1. This is the reciprocal of 1 upon 7. So here I have used. Then next step, multiply numerator into numerator, means minus 2 multiplied by 7 upon 13 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. 7 2s are 14, minus 14 upon 13 will be answer here. Is it clear? So next sum we'll see here. Please note down here from the question number 3, first, third and fifth sum will be homework for you. 5 minutes थांबा की नाही आता? Minus 7 upon 12 divided by, in bracket, minus 2 upon 13. Here write down the first rational number as it is, that is minus 7 upon 12. Instead of division sign, you have to put here multiplication sign and use the reciprocal of this. Minus 2 upon 13 means it's a 13 upon minus 2. Then multiply minus 7 multiplied by 13 upon 12 multiplied by minus 2. So 13 sevens are 91. Here's negative sign. So for product also you have to put the negative sign. 12 twos are 24. Again here minus sign. And as you know, if numerator and denominator is having negative sign, then it's a positive rational number. So answer is 91 upon 24. This is the answer for this question. And now last sum, 3 upon 13 divided by minus 4 upon 65. So write down first rational number. Then again put the multiplication sign here and use the reciprocal of this number. Minus 4 upon 65 means it's a 65 upon minus 4. Right? This is the reciprocal of this number. Then multiply 3 multiplied by 65 upon 13 multiplied by minus 4. Now you can see here, if it is possible for you, or you have to observe the numbers. If we can reduce, we can divide numerator and denominator by any common number, then we have to reduce here only. Now you can see denominator 13 is there and at the place of numerator 65 is there. So we can reduce 13 and 65 because 13 5s are 65. So it's a 13 1s are 13. 13 5s are 65. That's why 3 multiplied by now 5 in the numerator upon 1 multiplied by this minus 4 in the denominator. 3 5s are 15 and 1 multiplied by minus 4. So is equal to minus 4. Now you can say this is the denominator having negative sign. So it's a negative rational number. So final answer is here. What you have to do? You have to replace the sign. You have to put negative sign to the numerator. That means this is also a negative rational number. So today in this way, remaining sums means first, third and fourth will be homework for you from this question number 4. Today our this lesson number 9 is finished. So in the next session or in the next video, I am going to explain you new lesson. So thank you.